Hi everyone, Pete here. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a zone test on the LogiFire 118 panel. Let's get started. First, enter the panel menu by navigating to System, then Maintenance, followed by Test, and finally Zone Test. Here you will see a grid numbered 1 to 60, with each number representing a zone. You can use the up and down arrows to access subsequent zones, up to a total of 200 zones. To select the required zone, simply click on the corresponding number. The grid number will change to green, indicating that zone is selected. Next, select the Test tab. This will put the selected zone in test mode. The top line on the display will show two large interlocking squares. By selecting these squares, you can see which zones are in test mode. When testing devices, the panel will display the test status, device information, location, zonal LED, and panel buzzer status. It's important to note that no sounders, beacons, modules, or relays will be activated while in test mode. Once you've completed your tests, select the Stop tab. This will also reset the devices. And that's how you program a zone test on the LogiFire 118 panel. Thanks for watching and happy testing!